Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process of deleting your Instagram account. Let's get started. The first step is to open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you're in, head over to your profile by tapping on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner. Next, click on the three lines at the top right corner to access the menu. From there, select Settings and Privacy. Now, in the settings, you will see a first option, Account Center. Click on it. Now, in the Account Center, navigate through Personal Details. And then click on the Account Ownership and Control, and finally, select Deactivation or Deletion. Now, you'll see a list of accounts associated with your Instagram. Pick the account you want to delete. Remember, you can even delete a Facebook account if it's linked here. For this tutorial, I'll choose my current Instagram account. At this point, you need to decide whether you want to deactivate or delete your account. Deactivating is temporary, hiding your profile until reactivated. Deleting is permanent, removing all your data. Choose Delete Account and then tap on Continue. After that, a new window will appear. Now, select an option from the list and then again click on the Continue. When you click on it, a new window will appear. Once again, click on the Continue. Now, the next step requires entering your Instagram password. Once you've done that, tap on the Continue. Here's the final step. It states that if you proceed with the account deletion, your profile and account details will be permanently deleted after 30 days. During this period, you won't be visible on Instagram. You can cancel the process anytime within these 30 days through the Account Center or by logging into your Instagram account. If you're sure you want to delete your account, tap the Delete button. And there you have it. You've successfully initiated the process to delete your Instagram account. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.